Hey everyone, this is Tony Lopez with Alternative Living Spaces, where we convert shipping containers into tiny homes. You know, over the last few months, we've done a lot of creative builds. We've done container coffee shops, container gyms, offices, lake houses. We're really excited to get all that content out to you. And on today's episode, we're going to be looking at a 20-foot shipping container. We call it our Alt Studio. It's one of our flagship models. We've spent a tremendous amount of time in the design process of what's the best way to build out a 20-foot shipping container to be used as an Airbnb rental or to be used for full-time living. And so I'm excited for you to check it out. We not only spent a lot of time on the layout of this unit, but we also spent a lot of time on what materials we wanted to use on the inside. For the framing and the insulation, we used a product called InsoFast. This is a product designed specifically for shipping containers. It's a foam panel that has corrugation built into it. It adheres directly to the container walls, and it also has pathways for you to run your electrical. It also has studs built into the foam panels. For the interior wall finish, we use drywall. For the flooring, we use laminate. And for the HVAC, we use a 9,000 BTU mini split. When it comes to the features inside of this unit, there's a lot of really unique things that we've put inside. You know, the very first thing is right when you walk up to the container, it's a 7-foot wide by 7-foot tall sliding glass door. What's really neat about the way this was designed is that if you're ever putting this on a property that may be in the middle of the desert, it might be up in the mountains, and when you leave it, you want to make sure it's secured, you can actually close your original container doors right in front of your sliding glass door, lock it up, and feel safe when you leave. You know, as you walk in right through that main entry, you enter right into your living room and your bedroom space. You're going to see a TV on the right-hand side. On the left, we have our Murphy sofa bed. We've done this several times, and this is really one of my favorite ones we've produced. It's a full-size bed. It pulls down. You can sleep inside it at night, and then you pull it right back up, and you have a sofa during the day. The cushions are removable, and also underneath the bed, we have drawers for additional storage. As you continue to walk in, on the left-hand side, you have the kitchen. The kitchen has black granite countertops, white cabinetry, and black fixtures and hardware. Has a 2-burner stovetop, has an awesome plug that pops right up for you to charge your iPhone, and it also has a sink. To the right of that, we have our fridge and our microwave, and there's also a lot of availability in this unit for even more storage. So you could have storage above your bed, as well as additional storage base right above your kitchen window. Across from the kitchen, we have the wardrobe. The wardrobe was designed to really maximize the amount of space that you have to store jeans, shoes, shirts, jackets. On the front side of it, you have several drawers, and then you have 3 cabinets that open up so that you can hang some clothes. Towards the back of the unit, we have the bathroom. The bathroom has a modern pocket sliding door for the entry, and the bathroom size is actually really big. Most people that walk into the unit are continually surprised at how big it is. It's 4 feet by 7 feet. So as you walk in on the left-hand side, you have a 4-foot shower with metal ribbed corrugation for the sidewalls and black hardware for the fixtures. On the right-hand side, you have your vanity and your toilet, and then you have gray tile floors on the inside as well. One of my favorite parts of this build is the flexibility and how you have it set up. So right here in this video, you can see it's placed directly on some asphalt in a parking lot, currently being used as a demo at an Air Force base right outside of Las Vegas for airmen to tour. But this unit can go on a trailer and be RV certified. If you go that route, we do offer financing, and you can own it for as little as $350 a month, or it can be placed directly in your backyard as an ADU on a permanent foundation. We have a lot of clients that live in rural areas. They may live near national parks or up in the mountains, and they'll place these directly on their property as well. It can be really good for vacation rentals or just as a getaway as well. Well, thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. For more information, check out our website, alternativeliving-spaces.com. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on our next tour.